So Sunday, December 1st, and these guys have been at it for a couple of weeks now, and kind of got gassed out here in the last couple of weeks with all the painting and dusting and grinding and welding and whatnot. So we got a new filter in the air filtration system, and Dad's feeling a little under the weather here, so he's just doing supervising here today. But Peter's here and he's putting in his front axles, and they've got the steering in place there already, and Dad's just helping out, placing some stuff, and Peter's doing the heavy lifting because like he said here, Dad's got feeling a little bit under the weather, but Dad yells once in a while, and
that's okay, he's getting used to it.
Yeah, after 10-15 years of hanging out at the shop, should be getting used to it.
He said he's getting amused.
Yeah. So Peter's just putting in the rods there, and as you can see here, they've already got it all opened up. The steering rod here is in place, and then Dad's actually got in the steering here. So
swing it back and forth.
that's the power steering, and that went in a hell of a lot easier than normally because it's all opened up. So they got the plate in place, and the steering column rod is right there. We'll put the steering wheel on that. There's still some guts that Dad has to put into place there for the power steering. We don't sell kits on these guys. We do, that's one of the few jobs we do that it's a single price. It's $3,000 to open up the front, install power steering, and our parts actually come out of Portugal. So it's not an easy kit. I'm sure there's guys out there that do this, but we charge $3,000 to put in power steering. Why do we do power steering? Well, it's a lot easier driving these Bombardiers as an automatic versus a manual transmission. Again, to each his own. You guys got a cheaper way of doing it or another way of doing it, by all means. But this is what we do. And so this is what these guys are up to here right now. Just spent some time cleaning up the shop. Our body and putty guy was in here yesterday sanding down this Bombardier. This is the 79 that's available for sale, and as you can see, it's that first layer of paint's been scraped off. Everything else has been body puttied, and so it's all ready for painting. We're just going to match the paint and go, and then we're going to clean this whole machine back out, and it'll so it's always been for sale, but it'll be for sale now with the paint job. Again, that's the 79. So yeah, we'll let Peter and Dad get on with this, and maybe we'll check back in here with them in an hour or two. Well, Dad's got the blowtorch up here heating things up, so it's going to move a little easier. And
If possible, try and turn it up.
so it's got the one ski arm on, and they're still doing some adjusting, and they still got the other one to go here. That one's going to go in. I don't know if that's going to happen today or not, but these guys are actually making a lot of progress here. So the time you guys see these videos will be well in advance. Again, today is the 1st of December, and this machine has been in the shop for roughly 3 weeks time right now. So Dad's got the steering wheel on there now to just do some adjustments so they can get into what they're doing here.
Lori, hang on, Peter. Here's the trouble right here. You went in. Yeah, come here and look. This is on the taper. And that's it. So that means this has to be drilled on a bit of a taper. Can't be rubbing on here. Yeah. can put this weight cutter nut on and pull it down enough so we can try it. Can't be right. Come here for a minute. Come here. I want to explain a few things to you. It can't be from the bottom up because when the ski yard comes up and hits it, it's got to be from the top down. So what we can do is put a nut on there, run it up tight, and see how it fits.
This is the afternoon treat time. They just had their chicken strips. There's Daisy, Puckatawagan Garbage Dog, Charles in Charge, Schooner Shop Dog, Filipino Emily, and Kitty the Shop Cat. Everybody's got their treats.